Peggy problem involves children carefully testing the grip of different types of clothes pegs. The resources required for this activity are a length of washing line fixed at a suitable height for the children to reach, different types of clothes pegs, you could ask the children to bring in pegs from home, socks, something to gradually weigh down the socks, such as pebbles. If you're using pebbles of different sizes, they can be numbered and used in the same order when testing each peg, so the weight increases by the same amount when the next pebble is added to the sock. You could also use large marbles that are all the same size and weight, so you can count how many marbles each peg is able to hold. Make sure that any marbles or pebbles are a suitable size to use with your children and won't create a choking hazard. An alternative approach would be to use sand. If you use sand, you will also need small cups of the same size and capacity to use to fill the socks, so you can count how many cups of sand each peg is able to hold. You'll also need bowls or a floor covering to catch the sand when the sock drops from the peg, and a dustpan and brush to sweep up any sand on the floor. Before starting the activity, number the pebbles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 using sticky dots. Set up the washing line between two fixed points, making sure that it's an appropriate height for the children to reach and that it's tucked at the side of the classroom so that there's no danger of the children running into the line. When you're ready to run the activity, flip the pebbles in order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is so that when the children are testing it, they put them in order and test each peg in the same way. Then take the first peg and put it onto the washing line. Attach the sock, one side of the sock, to the peg. It's best not to attach the sock to the line as well. Just attach one side of the sock to the peg. Then start with pebble 1 and put it carefully into the sock. Then pebble 2, 3. Encourage the children to count as we go. 4. So that peg could hold the sock with 3 pebbles, but not 4. The 4th pebble pulled the sock off the peg. To record your findings, take a photograph of the peg and the number of pebbles that were put into the sock to make it fall off. Then line the pebbles back up again, ready for the next test, so that we test the second peg in the same way. Put the peg onto the line, attach one side of the sock to the peg, not the line, and then carefully put the pebbles in. 1. So that peg couldn't hold the sock with any stones, pebbles. Take a photograph of how many pebbles it took to pull the sock off the peg. The children can record their findings by putting the pebbles or marbles that pulled the sock off the peg next to the peg and photographing them, or by drawing them and writing the number of pebbles. Talk about the pegs. Which ones worked best? The children could put the pegs in order from the one with the least grip to the one with the most grip. To take the activity further, children could create a picture of their test and peg it up on the washing line.